So we've spoken about spoiled brats, nepo babies a few times here on the channel, guys. You know, these kids who have had it all handed to them on a silver platter throughout their entire life, and as soon as they get out into the real world, and have to confront real problems, they don't know how to react, and usually they overreact. And that very much does apply to this teenager who killed 3 people with his Porsche. And then what did he decide to do? He decided to turn himself in and admit, you know what, I made a mistake here. I need to face up to the consequences of my actions. No, he ran home and then called his dad to see if he could get him a good lawyer. Let's read this one out, guys. This is sure to be interesting. Shout out to Law and Crime for covering this. A college student in Arizona allegedly plowed into 3 people with his Porsche, killing all of them as they were walking across a crosswalk. He then darted home to call his rich father in California, who had significant resources to help him, including a private lawyer, according to reports. Andrea Santos, who is the mother of one of the victims, Josiah Santos, said the following, quote, "I cannot believe that you drove away and let them there. I cannot believe that you drove away and left them there." End quote. Artal, who is 19 years of age, is accused of killing Santos's girlfriend Sofia Trotel, and Katya Rosaria Castillo Mendoza, all of them 22 years of age or younger. He allegedly did this with his 2019 Porsche Boxster, while of course under the influence of either alcohol, drugs, or both. Great. An official press release from the Tucson Police Department in Arizona said the following, quote, "Witness interviews in conjunction with roadway and physical evidence indicated that a 2019 Porsche Boxster was traveling northbound on Euclid Avenue approaching East 2nd Street above the posted 30 miles per hour speed limit. At that time, 3 pedestrians were walking eastbound across North Euclid Avenue in a marked crosswalk at East 2nd Street. The Porsche did not stop, struck the pedestrians, and fled the scene." End quote. Coward. Artal's attorney, the expensive one that he got from his dad, said in court on Friday that he does not deny being involved in the crash, and his lawyer also confirmed that Artal phoned his father for advice. His dad told him to turn himself in at the police department, which he duly did, and claimed that was a good reason to be granted bail. However, unsurprisingly, the mother of one of the victims, Sofia Trotel, was campaigning for the highest possible bail to be granted in terms of the monetary amount required to activate it. In the end, Artal was charged with second-degree murder, aggravated assault with serious injury, and leaving the scene of an accident resulting in death, and his bail was set at $250,000. According to the information I have, it's unclear whether he has actually activated that bail or not, but given how rich his father probably is, they probably have done. But yeah, guys, there you go. Does make your blood boil, doesn't it? Driving under the influence of alcohol and or drugs, killing 3 people and fleeing the scene. I mean, at least he turned himself in the end. But the world really isn't fair when you think about it. You know, these 3 people have lost their lives, and this guy has got a good legal defense because his family is rich. So he's probably going to get a big sentence, but it won't be as big as what it should be. A lot of people would say those 3 lives mean that this guy should never be allowed to walk free again. But let's be real here. That's not what's going to happen, is it? But anyway, guys, get your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you have to say about this one. What would be an appropriate punishment for this nepo baby? I want to hear what you have to say in the comments below, as always. Like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Have a fantastic day wherever you are in the world today, and let's hope for some more uplifting news sometime soon here on the channel.